In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix print preview failed error in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened it, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it, scroll down and proceed to settings, which has this gear icon. The moment you click on it, you would be navigated to a new tab where here you will be able to see the Chrome settings. So with the Chrome settings, please proceed to the left side and locate for privacy and security. And there you can see delete browsing data. So please click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you will be able to open this window called delete browsing data, where here you need to go first with the basic and check this box here. So browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. So please select that one. And here at the time range, click on this down arrow key and go with all time. And once you're good, go with advanced here. Okay, go with the time range, go with all time. And please select all of these things. So that includes the passwords and other signed data aside from the recommended selected ones. Go with autofill form data, site settings, and hosted up data. So once you have selected that one, go with delete data and please wait until you have successfully deleted this one. So it might take some time, but please be patient and wait until all of this would be deleted. Once you're good, try to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay, so press Ctrl P again in your keyboard to check if the print preview is now working. So Ctrl P and check if it's working. So it's now loading preview. Kindly wait until it would be available here. So now it's working, okay? However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that, here at the second solution, you need to navigate to the left side and go with About Chrome. The moment you click on it, your Google Chrome will check for updates, okay? And it will mark here Chrome is up to date. However, if not in your case, it will automatically update your Google Chrome application. Kindly wait until this would be done and make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection or a Wi-Fi internet, I mean. So by that, please wait until it will mark here Chrome is up to date. And once the updating process has been completed, it will ask you to relaunch your Google Chrome to completely update it. Just have to click on relaunch and the moment you click on it, try to check again if the print preview is not working. I'm sure it will be working this time. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.